You want to help me and carry the bucket? Alright, gotta take it home. I'm coming. You go this way. Reese. Hey. Oh, she knows where she's going. What a good girl. You're a good helper. And then watch when she comes to the gate. Because she's not sure she can actually get in. Because of the width. She goes real slow. Wait for me. Hey, wait. 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 Okay. Okay. Let's go. I'm coming. It's a good girl. Alright, you gotta give it back to me now. Come here. Hey. Hey. Let go.